Okay, morning guys. Welcome to Nakhon Phanon Airport. Going to do a quick tour here, have a look around, see if anything has changed since the last time I've been here. Airport code here is KOP. Let's go have a look. Pretty small. Thai Lion Air comes here now. Air Asia, they must have took over for Nook. Thai Lion Air has 2 flights a day, one in the morning, one in the evening. Coffee shop. These guys have a lot of luggage. Their luggage costs way more than their ticket. Car rents. Lots of selection. Lots of choice. This is the arrival side. And that's the departure side. And that's pretty much it. On the inside, it's just going to be one room after security. And then you walk to the plane from there. One of 2 bathrooms. Pretty clean. Okay guys, there it is. Nakhon Phanom Airport. 5 flights a day right now. 2 with Thai Lion Air and 3 with Air Asia. Nice little airport, easy to get through. Basic amenities, everything you need for a 1-hour domestic flight. All flights go to Don Mueang.